In the previous video, I discussed the importance of crafting a strategy that differentiates your business and its solutions from competitors. I explained that salespeople sell on differentiation. However, before deciding to build a sales team, there is another critical factor to consider: the financial viability of employing a dedicated sales force. As a solo entrepreneur, gross profit is usually calculated quite simply: sales revenue minus cost of sales. Typically, cost of sales may include procurement cost of stock, delivery costs, insurance, and finance costs. But once you begin considering the establishment of a sales team, this calculation needs to change. You must also include the cost associated with running that sales team. Most importantly, sales remuneration. In this video, I am not going to discuss the structure of sales remuneration itself. That is an important topic, and I will address it in a later video. Now, your accountant or bookkeeper may disagree when I suggest that all sales remuneration should be treated as part of the cost of sales. From an accounting perspective, they are technically correct. They will argue that the fixed portion of sales salaries belongs under operating expenses because the business incurs these costs regardless of sales performance. But this discussion is not about accounting treatment. It's about determining whether a sales team is financially viable for your business. For that reason, I recommend that you include all sales team related remuneration when calculating your adjusted cost of sales. This approach gives you a far more practical understanding of whether your business can realistically sustain a dedicated sales function. Once you've done this, calculate your adjusted gross profit margin. As a general rule, if your gross profit margin falls below 30%, it's often too thin to comfortably support a sales team. If your adjusted gross profit margin is 30% or higher, you are one step closer to successfully developing the sales capacity of your business. Once you have crafted a strategy that clearly differentiates your product or service and confirmed that building a sales team is financially viable, you are ready to focus on the first stage of an effective sales process, namely prospecting. Prospecting will be the topic of my next video. For more content like this, visit Constructum Sales Success on YouTube. Connect with me, Dion de Bruin, on LinkedIn if you need help building your own sales team. Thank you for watching, and all the best with your business.